Today we talk about how can you select food and beverage on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on account down here. So when you just click on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you, it's going to show for you like this here on your profile. Go above this sign, click on it. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on food and beverage. You just click on it. Then you come to next step here. Just click here on food here. And here can you select it. Then you click here on save. So then here beverage, can you select it here. So then you click here on save, then to here dietary preferences in this list. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking